Hey everyone, it's David here from Paoli showing you a quick video of how you can accept payments on your Squarespace website. So you would go to paoli.com and then you would sign up and you would make an account. Once you've made your account, you would log in and then go to your dashboard, and here is the dashboard. You would click Start a Payment. You would click Simple Payment. You would click Pay Now and check out. Now with Paoli, you can accept one-time payments on your website, or you can accept recurring payments on your website. So let's just title this one. What's cool about Paoli is they allow you to create payment forms or payment buttons, and Paoli allows you to take one-time payments or recurring payments. Like I said, you can allow the payer to decide the amount that they want to pay you, or you can set the payment form whether it's on like certain amount. So that's kind of a cool feature. There's a lot of other features here that you can check out too. But okay, let's just say we'll do decided at checkout. Decided at checkout means that the payer will decide at checkout, or we can set the form. So let's just set the form first. $100. We're going to let this be a one-time payment. We're just going to click next step. We're going to click through and forget about all those different options that you can add to your payment form. So here's our title, one-time payment form. Please pay the amount owed on your billing statement. So if you click preview, this is your payment form for $100. And this is the part where if you have a customer, they would come here, enter their name, their information, and their credit card information, and they would make a payment to you, and that payment will land in your bank account. Okay, so now let's do a recurring payment. Let's just say the subscription is $50. So you set the amount to 50. Now we're going to change the frequency to recurring payment, because I'm showing you guys how to do the recurring payment option. They have decided at checkout, or you can set the recurring options. I'm going to set the recurring options. Let's put this to monthly. The day the payer checks out, and duration is indefinite. Indefinite means that there's no end date to the recurring payment. Click next step. Review our payment form, $50. Yes, it recurs monthly. You click preview. And so $50 will recur monthly. The payer pays here, and once they pay, they basically start that plan, meaning that every month they will be billed $50. If we click get code, this is the page that gives you the code to place on your Squarespace website. So you have a buy now button, a pay now button, a donate button, or